Good morning, guys. It is Saturday the 26th. I thought I would have slept a little bit longer considering yesterday was exhausting from the dancing and stuff and staying up all night. But I've been up since like what, 6 o'clock, 7. Anyway, I am starting to pack. We are literally leaving in like 2 days to go back to Phnom Penh. That's the capital, which is what, another 4 or 6 hour drive, depending how fast you drive. Gonna spend like a day in Phnom Penh. There's a big mall there that's pretty nice, I heard. I didn't get to go the last time I was here. I was probably moody. But yeah, I'm gonna slowly pack stuff and see what stuff I can leave here and not need. Trying to carry less as possible. Totally not carrying Ava's backpack and her rolling carry-on luggage, because that was a hassle. Because when we got to New York, it was hard because we actually had to leave the building and then walk to another building, go outside, and there was barely any space to walk. It was like this thin sidewalk, which is like directly where traffic, a bunch of cars were coming in and out. It was really dangerous, and having a toddler and a bunch of luggages was very stressful and nerve-wracking. So gonna put her luggages away, keep it here, or put in one of my other big luggages, and that's it. Because right now snow is probably really bad and scary and very cold. So yeah, I have a hot mess. Took out my luggages right there, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll check you guys later. Hey guys, it's been a few hours. Just got back home. We went into town, did some shopping here and there, got some last minute stuff, errands here and there, and also picked up I can't even talk. Picked up a we ordered cake yesterday and picked it up today. That was our last place that we went to. It's so pretty. It's pandan flavor with coconut filling, I believe. Yes, can't wait. I can't talk. I'm hungry, but we're waiting for everyone to get together. It's not for like help people, it's just for our immediate family. So it's just my gift to my family since we're leaving on Monday. So it should be fun. And again, like, it's weird when people see my videos, they assume that we're rich or my family here is rich. It's not. If they were, we wouldn't be sending, my parents wouldn't be sending money every single month. They would not survive without my parents' help. They just get by, like barely get by. So this cake is a luxury to them. So it's just something that I wanted to do for my family, because this is not something that they get to eat on a normal basis like us in the States. So they're gonna be so excited, and I'll show you guys later. It's really pretty. Got some flowers, and it says like happy family. Again, it's pandan flavor with coconut filling. It's a very traditional, like typical flavor in Southeast Asia. We use that flavor for a lot of our desserts and stuff. So yummy. I'll check you guys later. I feel like I cannot vlog, like I cannot talk. See you guys later. I'm going down. Ava's gonna get on the motorcycle. Woo, can chop it, Ava? Okay, go. Okay, hold, yeah. Wow. Woo. Bye. Go shopping. Meow. Đồ tùng đấy guys. Hi, King King. Yeah. Ủa sao ai mà nhớ anh lồi à. getting ready to go get snacks for kids on the other side of town. It's close by, so this should be a last time. Tata, how many kids?
No, maybe. I don't know exactly. But
We're not sure how many kids yet, like 40, 50. So same kind of stuff, like snacks, a little drink, goes into a little plastic bag. Yeah. So they're gonna come by and get in line and stuff. Okay, stay right here. I think it's down there somewhere. Everyone's coming. Ava, walk at the side. Ava, say hi. We're like a gang. Moto. Hi. My baby. Vô trên đây con khoe, vô trên đây. Vô nông con khoe. Right there? I think the kids are right there. Okay, careful, baby. Ayah, Lisa. No, Lisa, maaf na, Lisa. Con có bên thằng hai. Hai thôi dạ. Thằng hai em mau đây đi mà. Ava, go yet? What's that? To show you? You want to give to them? Oh, Ava, oh yeah, I'll give to them. Yeah, show Tata. You give to them, okay? I'm going to throw Okay, out, Ava. Okay, out, Ava. There you go. Yay! Okay, out, Ava, out, yeah. Làm áo chua. Làm áo chua. Ava, đằng này chưa chua. Hình sắc Ava khác. Ui, dùng anh, baby dùng anh. Mami. Lời á. Ayah, chào, hôm nay chào. Ôi, Lisa chào màu mà này. Cô không phải mà thả hai. Tụi ơi. Thả hai. Hai. Ôm đây, cầm này. Phi vào đây ôn này.
Tao lấy mắm đây.
Hi.
Đây, bánh khoai đây. Phi mất à? Phi đây rồi. Bánh khoai đây. Bánh khoai. Đây là khoai quá.
Ayo Lisa. Sina mà nè.
Thôi cho ăn chua cho nào rồi. Con ông lên nấu. Cô sạch. Ôi cho tao không ôi mình thỏ.
Ấy ấy.
Ngã ba ba pro.
Hello. Không trên đây này. Ivy, we trên này. Cho. To quá.
Trời đang tài cũng con đó.
Nhưng mà cho đây. À cho đó. Đây, một bên.
Mình chơi pia các bạn. Mình chơi pia. Tiyo. Pipi nó cry à.
Pi.
Nó on đi chưa? On pia alcohol. Pia alcohol. Please alcohol. Upun này. Yên này. Vậy mà. Baby.
Pi nè. Giờ mày à. Tao mà pi nè. Cho một bạn. Lan.
Không cho vô quê ăn nào.
Ui đi không cho ăn ở đây.
Hai ba đó mà. Hai ba. Mọi người trăng chua đây.
Vô vui. Ui lỗi à.
Hai ba đây. Ba đây.
Hai.
Làm đấy à? Ở nhà lời mang trên này. So that was it. We have about 73 people, kids and adults. So I think I'm gonna get ready to eat cake soon. Super excited.